On some days, I just have a calorie number in mind, so I go to the fridge, take the ingredients until I reach that number, and then I cook something delicious. Usually it's a combination of all food sources that I throw into the pan, and then I add some condiments on top.
Hi, my name is Felu, and on this channel I show you low-calorie recipes that could help in a weight loss journey. And today's recipe is a 500 calorie super easy meal that I do at least 3 times a week. So let's get into this video.
I will start with 250 grams of unpeeled raw potatoes. Then I will take a peeler and remove all of the skin. By doing this, they will lose roughly 20% of their initial weight. Now, because I never cooked them, I cut them into halves and then I slice them very fine, so the frying process later doesn't need a lot of time. Then I will take a small onion, red or white, it doesn't really matter. I will cut the root, remove the skin and chop it roughly up. Then as a protein source, I will prepare 150 grams of chicken breast. I will slice it up into small chunks. To add some fats and richness, I also add in 1 entire egg. And to add some volume, I will add in 100 calories worth of frozen vegetables. In this case, it's 200 grams. All I need now is 1 non-stick pan. I will spray some oil and heat it on medium heat. Now the first thing that goes in are the potatoes. I will spread them in the pan, close the lid and let them fry for around 5 minutes. After some time, they will get a little bit of color and become softer. As soon as they get brown, I will add in the complete onion and fry them with the potatoes. The onions now will caramelize and release some fluid. In combination with the potatoes, this will develop a super delicious flavor. After another couple of minutes, I will add in the chicken. I will spread it on the bottom so the entire chicken is in contact with the surface. Now I will add in the seasoning, and I pretty much freestyle this every time with salt, pepper, curry, whatever I like. Or if I'm super lazy, I just put in a premixed cajun seasoning. I add in quite a bit, 1 to 2 tablespoons, and then I close the lid and let everything fry for 1 to 2 minutes. As soon the bottom of the chicken gets a little bit of color, I will take a wooden spoon and give everything a very good mix. After another minute or so, the chicken is almost done, and then I will add in all of my vegetables.
And I always try to switch the veggies up. Sometimes it's Italian style, sometimes it's Asian style, it depends. But there is nothing wrong with frozen vegetables. For me this is convenient and also good for portion control.
I add in the vegetables, give everything a good mix, and then I will close the lid. I like it if my vegetables are still crunchy, so I will only cook this for about 2 minutes and that's it. When everything is ready, I will stop the heat, crack up the egg and add it in. I will slowly combine the egg with everything, so this will become a super balanced and nutritious meal. From start to finish, the entire meal takes me around 20 minutes. And what I also like to do is to add a little bit of sriracha on top. So the entire recipe comes in with 511 calories, 53 grams of carbs, 8 grams of fat and 67 grams of protein. And I promise this tastes absolutely delicious.
This is just a perfect balanced meal in my opinion. If you want more calories, you can add another egg in it. If you want less calories, eat less chicken. Or like in my case, I will eat this and then a little dessert afterwards. So if you like this kind of videos where I show 500 calorie videos or 700 calorie videos or 300 calorie videos, let me know in the comments and I will make sure to make more of them. Hit the like button guys, subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.